still get a little bit nervous. Fighting my anxiety constantly, I try to control it. Even when I know it's been forever, I can still feel the spin. Cause when I remember it, I never wanna feel it again.
Manda assim.
Don't know if you get it, cause I can't express how thankful I am that you were always with me when it hurts. I know that you'd understand.
DJ Felipe diz, o cara é muito